All right, so a little earlier I did a little demonstration of 3 different keys. So we have the keyer, the Bengali simplex, and then I will have to come to my radio, and if you see right there it says keyer on. I got to hit that button to get the keyer off, and we'll go over here to the bug. I got to adjust on it. Yeah, I got a little grid in there. I moved it around a little bit, and I got a heavy fist. And then you got the Cody key. I got a heavy fist, so it's gonna have to take me just a second where I can hold this down and try to do the camera. And then you got a straight key. That's the straight key, the Cody, the bug, and then turn the key back on, the keyer. There you go. All 4 keys on the desk, and I'll just switch around when I want to do whichever one. And yeah, that's a challenge, but I do have the SKCC Straight Key Century Club has what they call a triple key award. That's at least 100 contacts with the straight key, 100 contacts with the Cody, and 100 contacts with the bug. So there you go. By the way, this bug, I think if I looked it up right, was like a 1912. It's in the 1912, 1915 era. I do have another one right up here I don't have hooked up, but I probably will not hook it up. I got one. This is a good heavy set bug, be good enough for me. And there's no telling how many contacts I've made with the Bengali, but it's been a bunch. I've got over 30,000 logged. So that was a major key for a while until I decided to come around and as I told you before, the DAWs, which is on the right, you gotta make the dits on a bug, the dits are automatic. And then on the Cody key, if you hold it that way, it's a DAW. You hold it that way, it's a DAW. If you go, that's a dit. And the way you push the key these is back and forth. You can't key them like a straight key like that. You got to key back and forth. That's why I sort of got to hold. When I hold it, if you notice, my fingers will go back and forth. They go back and forth on the Cody key. That's how it's designed, and then the straight key's just up and down. So it's just up and down. If you hold down, it's your DAW and dits. But the Cody key, you rock your fingers, and pretty much you rock your fingers on the bug too. I got a dirty contact I got to get cleaned up. which I think I might have a wire touching. So, and then on the keyer, you know, you got dits, DAWs, so that's, you just sort of squeeze. All right, hope you enjoy. Got all 4 keys on the desk now to play around with. 73s, most of the time 72s, because I run QRP, but I have run 100 watts the last few days to do a sweep for the straight key, the SKCC the straight key month, the K3Ys. I've used that key and that key all for the last 24 hours. So there you go, fellers, or folks, enjoy. Learn Morse code, the favorite, well, the most enjoyable to me mode in amateur radio now is Morse code. Thank you.